Hey love, I hope you're doing so well. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Tipex Instant Apex Full Cover Tips. These have been viral for a while and I've been dying to get my hands on them. I actually bought the full system, so I bought the base gel, I bought the glossy top coat, I bought the full cover tips, and I also bought the nail glue that comes with it. So if you're interested in seeing how I got these babies and also my honest review on the Tipex Instant Apex nails, keep watching. Let's get into the nail art. Here we are with the Tipex Instant Apex Sculpted Acrylic Full Cover Tip. I got the 120 pack because I didn't want to get too much just in case I didn't like the way it fit and all that stuff. First, I didn't know that they had a base coat and a top coat. So when I went online to go purchase the tips and the nail glue, I was like, you know what, might as well try this out as well. These are also very affordable. The base gel was $5.99 and so was the top coat. The tips with the glue came up to 18 and change, I believe. I will of course link all of that down in the description. And for the base gel and the top coat, both viscosities were pretty decent. The base gel was, not too thick and not too runny. Same for the top coat. I feel like the top coat had this definite strong smell to it, like a chemical kind of gel smell that you naturally smell with certain gel products. But I did notice that when I opened it, I was like, ooh, okay, this definitely, hit me, that wafted, okay? So just wanted to keep that in mind. So the nail glue, I loved the bottle. I think the bottle is super cute and sleek and I like the way it felt in my hands. And also I love the top because you could put the glue back inside and it could stand on your desk. I always have my glue just knocking all over the place, so I think that was a cute little detail. So now into the star of the show, okay? These acrylic full cover tips. When I took these babies out, I was like, they definitely smell like gel. It is not a nasty smell, but it is a strong smell. And then when feeling the actual tip itself, y'all, the reviews do not lie. These are brolic, okay? These are hard, okay? There is no squeezing, there's no pinching, there's no flexing. Like, these are going nowhere, okay? These are strong. Like, you can even kind of see that they're kind of magnified. The one thing that I did enjoy about it, that I think that it fits my nail beds pretty good, so there wasn't too much extra etching that I had to do before actually placing them on. These were the square long, and for my hands, or at least maybe my personal preference, they were not really long. But now that I'm done showing you guys all the goodies, let's get into this set. So of course, we're gonna start with nail prep. I'm gonna go in with my Makartt dehydrator and then gonna do a layer of my Kiss acrylic primer and then going in with the five angels. I'm so sorry, I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna go in with this base coat right here, okay? And like I mentioned before, the viscosity was good. Like, I didn't know what to expect. I did like that it wasn't super runny and it was pretty thick. Like, you can see I used this one coat just to go with all of my nails. Like, I didn't even have to like double dip or anything like that. And I did go in with one layer of this base gel and curing for 60 seconds. So now that the base coat is all on and cured, we're gonna go on to the nail extension and we're gonna size these babies out. These come in a really wide range of sizes, which I really do enjoy. Like, it comes with the 0.0 and then it ends with the 15, and I've never had that many sizes to pick through. So I really did try to take my time to find something that fit really perfect. I think that I could have went with different sizes, but you know, this is my first time using this, so you know, I was rolling with the punches. So now on to the extension. So I'm so used to using my Aimeili nail glue from the bottle, so I'm not used to using this thick consistency. So I wasn't really sure how much to put or how much not, and like if I should put some on my nail because that's what I normally do. So I tried to keep it down to the same thing that I normally do, but this glue is just completely different. Again, I'm new to this. This is my first time using this product, so I just have to, you know, figure out what works for me best. And I think that after this first try, I think I definitely know what would maybe work a little better than what I was doing in the first place. But you know what, I got these babies on, and one thing about these, y'all, this nail glue is no joke. Okay, it is strong. After I put all these on and put it in my lamp for a full 60 seconds, I've never felt my nails feel so thick and like heavy when putting on a Gel X set. Like, you could totally feel the difference in these full cover tips. So now I'm gonna go in with the shaping, buffing, and filing, and just doing a little bit of cleanup around the sides, the free edge, and the cuticles. I instantly realized that these were acrylic when I started filing them, because it felt like I was filing down an acrylic nail, y'all. Like, if I just sculpted this myself, wow, I haven't had to put this much work into shaping and buffing in a while, because you know, I've been doing the Gel X. Those are soft gel, so you don't really have to put too much pressure. And y'all, when I tell you I messed up my cuticles, my poor cuticles were crying at the end of this session. Okay, crying and pleading with me, why would I do this? All right, so now I know for the next time, because y'all, I went in with my normal size mandrel bit because my mini mandrel I feel like wasn't doing enough. I was just trying to get the cuticle really flushed, and that's where I messed up and probably just definitely got way too close to my actual cuticle, which is why I had little cuts all over the place. It was not cute. I have not done this rookie mistake in a while. Like, my nails have not felt this sore since maybe the first few times I ever tried doing my nails. So yeah, this definitely humbled your girl, and I definitely want to continue to practice with these Tipex because I love how strong they feel. It really does feel like you have acrylic set. Like, if you went and got your acrylic set, like, it feels that sturdy, that strong. The nail tips are so thick and not in a bad way, and the apex is so perfect. Oh yeah, my poor cuticles went through it with this sanding, y'all. But again, learning, and the next time is definitely going to be better. I also learned the hard way as well with the sizing. There was a lot of sizes I should have went up with instead of going lower, so I learned my lesson with that too. These definitely took me a little longer to buff through since they are acrylic full cover tips. Like, there is no joke, y'all. It's no joke. Here we are, my poor cuticles, y'all. Like, do you see my pinky? Oh my god, my poor baby. Definitely went in with some cuticle oil balm that I got from Dollar Tree that I really like to use because it gives my cuticles some moisture, but it doesn't make them oily, which is perfect while I'm still doing my nails. Went in and used some acetone to seal in the cuticles, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know if that really did anything. I truly don't. Since this full cover tip is so thick, you know, I can see with the soft gel that it's melting on, and you can see, you know, that it's just like super clean, but I really just didn't see a difference doing this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do this step again. I think I'm just so used to doing that step while I am doing Gel X that I was just like, oh yeah, of course, this is the next step after, you know, filing, but I don't know. Still trying to figure out my technique with this. So I'm gonna go in with this black jelly, and I'm gonna do 2 coats of this on all of the nails, and of course curing in between for 60 seconds. I don't know why I've been having so much trouble lately with so much dust accumulating like on my nail, or like little pieces of like fur and stuff. Like, we don't even have any pets in this house, but I do like textures a lot, so I have like a lot of furs and a lot of like furry type, you know, accessories and things like that. So I don't know if it's that. I really need to look into maybe getting not a dust collector, but something that just cleans the air, because I've been noticing a lot when I'm trying to do my nails that I just see a lot of dust. Doesn't matter how much I clean my nails off with alcohol, I always find these little lumps. Now that I have the base color on, I'm pretty much just going for a blooming gel effect. So I'm going to do a layer of my Makartt blooming gel, and using this white D&D gel polish, I'm going to do a little crocodile kind of marbling effect. I really should have did one nail at a time. But of course, you already know, your girl leaving things for last minute. The next day, I was going to a day trip to Washington, D.C. with my boyfriend to go to the African American History Museum. And I really just wanted to get this video out because I was dying to try this Tipex. And I also just wanted my nails done. I was already getting tired of the last set because, y'all, them nails was too long. I was bumping it into everything. I had to let them go, even though I love that set. So I was like, you know what, let me do my nails for our little trip, our little cute day trip. So I was kind of in a rush because it was definitely the night before, and I didn't want to have to wait and just doing one nail at a time. So in hindsight, I should have did one nail at a time, because I think that in fact would have looked way cuter, but it's okay because I think at the end the set was pretty cute. Gonna be honest, not one of my favorite sets, okay, but I think it's cute. And again, we're always just practicing to get better and better and better. So I'm gonna pretty much just repeat the same process on both hands, and that's it, y'all. That's what we got. I was trying to keep it super simple because I didn't want to rack my brain doing too much and then staying up super late, because we had to catch the train super early in the morning. So before finishing the set off, I'm going to go ahead and use this glossy top coat. So again, this top coat definitely had a little odor to it, which wasn't the best. Also, one thing that I did realize, I don't really like the way it levels. I think that it just leveled like super spotty for me. It didn't matter how much gel I put on there, how many times, you know, I try to make it even. It just, I don't know. Definitely not one of my favorite top coats, but I do like the base gel. So now for the final step, we're going to go in with some nail charms. Like I said, I wanted to keep it super simple, so I just went in with this metal bow on the tops of all of the nails because I don't know, the cuticles were really bothering me. I feel like the cuticles just looked odd. I don't know, man. This set was just like, the longer I looked at it, the more I was just like, oh yeah, no, they're cute. No, these are cute. Like, no, but yeah, they're cute. You know, because I don't know, man. But that's what I get for doing things last minute. But anyway, gonna give myself a bunch of cuticle oil because y'all, my hands were dry, crackling, okay, sizzling. That is not cute. Here we are with the finished set. I think that these Tipex Acrylic Instant Apex full cover tips are really cool. I think that they're definitely a learning curve to get used to, especially if you're used to the soft gel, because soft gel is obviously way more thinner, and this acrylic tip is definitely something like different to get used to. I do love the sturdiness. This nail glue is epic. Like, I really want to start to just use it more so I could get more used to the consistency and the viscosity of the nail glue, because y'all, these are cemented on. Again, I feel like I went and got my nails done, like if I went and got an acrylic set, and I love that. Do I wish these nails were actually long? Yes, I do. But you know what, this length is perfect for me because I needed a little breaky from the long nails anyway. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and if you are gonna try out the Tipex Instant Apex nails, let me know in my comments how you like them or how you don't like them. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like down below. If you want to keep up with my nail content, please subscribe. I post weekly. And if you made it this far, I appreciate you so much, love. I hope you're having a great day and a great week, and I'll see you next time, love.